Have you ever felt like this? You want to accomplish something great. You dream about success. You imagine living a better life. But when the time comes to act, you postpone. You say, tomorrow. If you have ever been ambitious yet lazy, then this story is for you. It may completely change how you see your life. Once upon a time, in a little English village surrounded by green meadows and tall oaks, there lived a young man named William. William was 25 years old. He was strong, healthy, and full of dreams. He often told his friends, "One day, I will be the richest farmer in this village. My fields will shine golden with wheat. People will come to me for advice, and I will be respected everywhere." Everyone in the village admired William's ambition. But there was one serious problem. William was lazy. When the sun rose, other farmers hurried to the fields. William stayed in bed. When the men of the village worked under the blazing sun, William sat in the shade, boasting about his future. When the women carried buckets from the well, William muttered, "I'll do it later." He always had grand ideas but no action. He loved to dream about success, but he hated to face the hard work that success required. One evening, William's uncle, an older and wiser farmer, came to visit him. The uncle looked at William's empty land. The soil was rich, yet nothing was growing. He said, "William, my boy, why is your land bare? You talk about golden crops, but all I see is dust." William laughed. "Uncle, don't worry. I'll begin tomorrow. My field will be the finest. Just wait and see." The old man sighed. He had heard this tomorrow far too many times, so he decided to teach William a life lesson. From his pocket, he pulled out 2 small bags, each containing different seeds. He handed them to William and said, "These are no ordinary seeds. They are magic. The first one is the seed of ambition. If you plant it and water it daily, it will grow into a tree that gives fruit, shade, and wealth. The second is the seed of laziness. If you plant it, it will sprout quickly, but it will spread weeds across your entire field. It will destroy everything else. Now, William, both seeds are in your hands. The future of your land and your life depends on which one you care for." William studied the 2 seeds, one for ambition, one for laziness. He thought, "Of course, I'll plant ambition. I want success." But when the morning came, William felt tired. "I'll plant it tomorrow," he said. Days slipped by. At last, out of boredom, he planted both seeds. He shrugged. "Let's see what happens. I can always handle them later." Weeks passed. William forgot about them. He spent his days sleeping, gossiping, and dreaming about success. Then one afternoon, he walked to the field and froze. The laziness seed had grown fast. Weeds covered the ground. They spread everywhere, strangling the soil. And the ambition seed, weak and small, was nearly dead because it had received no water, no care. William's dream was becoming a nightmare. His uncle returned, looked at the field, and said, "William, look closely. This is your life. Ambition is like a delicate seed. It needs care, effort, and daily action. Without work, it dies. But laziness grows all by itself. It spreads quickly and destroys everything in its path. My boy, you wanted greatness, but your laziness has already stolen your future." William fell to his knees. Tears filled his eyes as he touched the dying ambition seed. For the first time, he realized the truth. Dreams alone are not enough. Only action keeps them alive. That night, William could not sleep. He thought about his wasted time, his broken promises, his lost chances. He whispered, "If I don't change now, laziness will own me forever." The next morning, before sunrise, William rose. With blistered hands, he tore the weeds from the soil. It was painful. His back ached. His palms bled, but he did not stop. He watered the ambition seed. He cared for it every single day. Slowly, The seed grew into a strong plant. Over the years, it became a mighty tree that bore fruit, offered shade, and brought him wealth. William changed too. He was no longer lazy. He became known in the village as the farmer who fought his laziness and won. Dear listener, William's story is not just about farming, it is about life, honesty, greed, success, and personal growth. Each of us carries two seeds within. One is ambition, one is laziness. Ambition only grows if you feed it daily with discipline, effort, and action. Laziness grows by itself, but it destroys your dreams. So, if you are ambitious but lazy, remember William's field. Do not wait for tomorrow. Begin today. Water your ambition. Pull out the weeds of laziness. Because the longer you wait, the more your dream will die. If this story inspired you, share it with someone who needs to hear it.